Ay, sagoy-agoy mga kaibigan. O sige na, nasa bag, Goy, nasa bag. Nasa bag ang ano, baon, ayan. Doon ka magkain na. Yeah, lagay mo dun, Jun. Ibigay mo yung kay CJ. Saan yung kay CJ? That's yours? Okay.
Open it, please.
CJ, alika. Halika dito.
Open mine.
Ha?
You open mine.
Dito ka.
I can't. Hey, I
Okay.
can't do my first class.
Okay, that's yours.
No.
Punta to yung ground, honey. Asan ang ano ni CJ? Oh, ayan. May prutas, oh. Ayan, nangagutom ang mga bulilit. Nag-ano kami, tubig nandito. Ay, sorry. Ang ano ni CJ, buksan natin. Kay John. Balik ko dito. Ang tubig mo, boy, yan. Tubig ni CJ. Ayan. Okay, kuha ako dito, eh.
I'm having my lumpia. I'm not eating it.
Okay. Put inside.
Mommy, where's lemon?
No, hindi na ganun, lemon ka. Kain tayo ng ano, oh. Ang tawag nito?
It's good.
Landungan sa amin.
It is good.
Gusto mo? Hindi lang po dyan. Guard si Jeff. Kamain ako ng napkin, ha? Nasaan yung may paper towel? Okay. Ito, John, that's for you. Excuse me. That's yours, Glenn.
Can I see that?
Ha?
Can I see that?
Okay, okay. Huwag mo yan, okay lang. Nahulog. Malinis naman yan. Kain tayo po.
Wow.
May noodles si Abagwen. Sa kanton. May lumpia. Hi! Hi mga kaibigan, kain tayo.
Too spicy.
Ang tubig mo, Day, ayusin mo. Sit properly doon. Ba't ka nagkaganyan?
You have to sit down like this. No, I flop one.
Sit down. Anong ginagawa mo? Anong sinakyan mo? Anong sinakyan ni Agwagwa? Kumakain na?
Yeah.
Anong sinakyan mo? Tractor? Kain tayo. Ito yung ano namin.
Baby, go quick.
Tanghalian.
Go talk.
ng landungan. Ano man yan? There's apple, orange.
I want apple.
Hmm?
Apple, please.
Hindi mapakali si Cindy.
Or not.
Ah. Ayo, bebe. Yung paa mo. Hey.
Ay, ay, ay.
Hmm. Nagbaon na kami mga kaibigan kahit mayroon ditong mga mayroon, ano, malayo ito eh. Mayroon pong, ano mama, diwa?
I can't see.
What do you want, CJ? Oh, apple? Ano naman? Ah, orange. Okay. Buksan natin yung orange. At nagbaon na kami. Meron dito mga restaurant, mga hotdog, ano pa yung andoon?
Do I have hot dog now?
Meron po, pero nagbaon na kami kasi ito dyan para
Do I have ice cream we're done eating?
may ice cream din doon. No, we gonna make our ice cream the strawberry picking. Ilagay natin dito. Diyan, ilagay mo dito yung strawberry. Orange. Mayroong ice cream sa ano tayo doon. Strawberry. So gawin natin yan. Maganda yun kasi matamis.
Vanilla.
Gusto mo may vanilla ice cream? May vanilla ice cream daw gusto ni si Abebe. Akala ko gusto mo yung strawberry dahil nanguha tayo.
I said, yeah.
Ayun.
Hey! You flipped my snack breakfast.
Hmm?
You flip it. You're gonna pull my
Oh, sorry. Huwag mo ilagay doon, Bi, kaya huwag mo iipon sa lumpia. Nagdala ako ng mga kaibigan. Ito ba? Landungan to sa amin. Nakuha ko ito sa basura, pati mga apple ito, lahat. Ano nangyari sa apple na? Lagay mo dito. Kainin natin yan. Huwag mo ibalik dito kay...
You start the car now?
But? Okay. What?
The shark tooth and the...
Uy, ako found the shark tooth.
Okay,
No. Mamaya na. After eating. Because your hands is clean. We just wash it. Nakita siya mga kaibigan ng shark tooth.
the shark dog.
Kasi siya doon sa dog hanim. Nag-gold mining.
Yes, it is.
Nag-gold mining po. So, marami siyang stone niya nakuha. Good job, Gwen.
Only eat over chair.
No, you're sitting in here kasi our food is right here, okay? After eating, then Kunin mo yung shark tape mo.
Your shark dog.
Sit down right there, si Jen. Sit right there, please.
It's shark
Thank
dog.
you. Thank you.
Shark
Thank
dog,
you, John.
Mama. Not for. It's shark dog,
Okay.
not shark. Shark don't live in strawberry.
Shark doesn't live in strawberry picking.
She's gonna bite all of them.
You want tubig? Magbaon talaga kay para, ayan o. Maka... Sige, hilo sa inyong lahat dyan. Tanghali pa kasi dito. Tanghalian pa
I'm
namin.
still here. We're still here in strawberry. We're not home.
We're not home yet. We're gonna go somewhere.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go back.
Where are we going back?
In the, ano, doon sa loob. You wanna see the goat again? CJ, maybe CJ wants to see the goat.
Can we go inside there, please?
But you see the goat.
I see
You saw
people.
CJ. You see the goat already.
No, we're going inside there.
Meron po ditong ano, kambing.
Are we going inside there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you know last
You have
time?
fun, Goy?
Mom, you know last time you saw the animals and we then fed the goat and feed them?
Mm-hmm.
Even
No,
did.
this place doesn't feed the goat.
No.
That's different place, Goy.
No, the farm.
It's different.
No, mommy. No, mommy, the goats like lettuce. Now we have to go to see the animals over there. You remember we go there and we take a ride?
Mm-hmm.
There's no tickets. We don't need tickets, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't need to.
Mm-hmm.
No! We don't need tickets for it. We have to just the people last ride it. There's 3 rides, right?
Yeah.
I mean 2 rides.
Ano yan, CJ?
Ew, you don't like it.
You don't want it?
Yeah. Apple. And that's my little eye. Something red. Apple.
That's orange, buddy. Orange. Ba? Buksan. Nandyan na pala yung paa mo. Ay, bulilit pala. Ah. Ang mga bulilit. Hi. Kumusta po?
Mommy, are we go Dada now?
After we eat. Where'd you go that?
No, I want to call him now.
After we eat.
Not home.
Ang trabaho pa sila.
Oh.
Are you done with lumpia? You done? Tapos na sa lumpia?
Hey.
Meron pa oh. Nag-enjoy sila doon, takbo-takbo sa farm. Nag-boats ito sila kasi nga malupa doon.
And now the people use their shoes.
Tayo lang ang nag-boats.
And mommy has shoes.
Uy! Go back. Don't do that with the food. Sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down muna. Sito. Ano siya muna? What happened?
I like it.
Put it. Ay.
I like it.
Okay, put it down. Wait. Ano siya muna? Sit down. Sito. Sito your stomach. Okay? Tubig? Ano nangyari sa tubig mo, Goy?
It's over here.
Naubos na? Just sit down. Muna.
Can I play with my can, please? It's what to play with it. This trash is fun to play. Hammer. They go this way.
Okay.
CJ,
Busog na to sila, mga kaibigan.
we're getting the stones.
Magbabay na kami kay busog na sila.
Maybe let's throw down the stones.
Oh, show you the stone? Okay. Kita niya agad ang stone. Sige. Make sure CJ doesn't touch it kasi kumakain pa siya.
This is the shark teeth. And this is the rocks. It's nice and dry. It's allowed
Ayun
to
mga
touch
shark
it.
teeth, oh.
We're allowed to touch it.
I don't know if that's a shark teeth. Maybe that's
Dog. This is from the dog.
iwan ko sino matalas na ano, ngipin eh.
This called the
No, that's different animals. You have to ask Dada ano yan.
I think this from the dogs. They
No.
have these different.
Meron kasi silang aso din doon. Naku, ang daming mga ano dito, event.
It's from the dogs. Let's
No.
tell you what these from.
You have to ask Dada yan.
Yeah, these are teeth.
Okay, bye-bye po. Ingat kayong lahat.